Welcome back to Simple Household Tips. Today I will share some professional baking tips to help you whisk egg whites perfectly every time. Whether you are making meringues or macarons, these tricks will give you fluffy, stable results. First, take a cut slice of lemon and run it around the inside of your mixing bowl. This removes any grease and creates the perfect surface for whisking. Egg whites hate fat, stops them from foaming properly. With lemon, you will notice they bulk up much better. Another secret: add half a teaspoon of cream of tartar for every 4 egg whites. This strengthens the proteins in the whites and keeps them from separating, which means your mixture will hold its peaks longer. Always start with room temperature eggs. Cold egg whites are slower to foam, while room temperature whites whisk up faster and give you more volume. Use a copper or glass bowl instead of plastic. Plastic can hold tiny traces of grease, but copper actually stabilizes the foam naturally, giving your egg whites a silky texture. If you are making meringues, add sugar gradually, just a spoonful at a time. Adding it all too soon can weigh down the mixture, and that's it. With these tips, you will get tall, glossy peaks every time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more baking hacks. Drop a comment below if you've got your own egg white whisking secrets.